Okay, you just bought a Fiat 500, lovely little car. The only thing really that's letting the car down is the condition of the seats. So if you've ever bought a Fiat 500, if you drive a Fiat 500 with Cordura checkered seats, you will know exactly what I'm talking about now. The seats will discolour very, very quickly. And so what we're going to do is we're going to deep cleanse these seats using our product called Micro Cleanse. And Micro Cleanse will not only chemically draw out the dirt, body oils, etc. from the fabric, it will also disinfect. Okay, so if you're buying that second-hand car, you want to make sure that those seats are not just clean but cleansed, okay, free of bacteria. So what we'll do, we're going to do a full deep clean on the fabrics on this Fiat 500. We're going to come back to this in around about 2 hours time, and you'll be able to see exactly how much different it looks. Exactly 2 hours since we started to clean the fabric on this Fiat 500, and as you can see now, it's looking an awful lot better. So we've done the two front seats, and we've also included all the all around the back of the seat as well, all up here. The rear bench seat has been done. Sorry about the sun coming through the window there, you can see. So all this as well. All right, that's taken 2 hours to do. So if you're getting quotes and someone sends you in and says, well, I can have that done in an hour, it won't look as good as that. I can guarantee it. This is going to take 2 hours to do it properly. And it's not just clean, but that is disinfected as well. Okay, so there you have it.